machine. Meron. Meron pa tayong birthday party niya. So, may naman silang giveaway na dalagalan. Mapapansin niyo. Bigyan nag-birthday yan. Mga candies at kung ano na pa. Ang dami nyo po ni Kuya. Kuya, pa yung isa. Ito na kasama ko si Pau Pau. Hi Pau Pau.
Pau Pau. Masarap? Masarap tikman mo.
Magano ka, maganyan ka.
Sapa Vietnam.
Sarap. Lasang yogurt.
Hindi, ito na.
Ayan, ay. Sino yan? Side view.
Saan ako titingin? Lado! Mango! Lado! Hindi, lahat lang. Hotpot yan.
Tara na ng BGS.
Sorry.
Kimchi. Kimchi, chicken pizza. And the rice.
Hindi na kumain kami sa service.
Ayun, may
Wow! Wow! Maraming gulay. Right. Maraming gulay kakainin
Parang
niya.
hindi pa huli mo pa.
Kumain kasi ng gulay, nanay.
Ihaw ka lang, Al. Ihaw ka lang. Hindi ko nakita, Al. Kuha ko sa ano. Okay ka ba, Labs?
Okay. Lagay ko yung noodles dito, ha?
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pinanood yung bata.
Gold plated.
Gold-plated. Tumiktik ka ng kaunti.
Gold plated. Tsaka malawak. Fourth ba?
1, 2, 3.
Ang ganda.
Ang laki.
Free upgrade.
Look at that. Wow, sa ganda oh. Ang ganda ng balcony. Wow.
Maganda. May triangle.
Dito.
Yung kaninang ginawa natin ano. Ayaw niya na. Bakit? Okay, wait lang.
Ano pa?
Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Tawa 3. Ano?
As pala ka at.
Tingin dito, tingin.
Sa kanya camera.
Tawa 3. Two, three.
Hi.
Oh, mabidyo mo na ako. Mahay din ako. Two, three. Two, three.
Ay, oo. Pero makapicture mo na. Moana Coffee View. Something Moana. Yung ganda.
Say besides, you're welcome.
Ah, you're welcome.
Ang dami popos na rin.
You're welcome.
Yun ay back.
Eh? Cinematic lang ako. Oh. Yan. Cinematic.
Ikaw.
Go, Chip. Coach.
O, ay saan?
Sa kabila.
Eh, di ba manayin ka? Dami kong picture. Ano ba ginagawa?
Welcome to Vlog Live. Speak to you. Nana. Hi. Ano, enjoy Jeff.
George.
And me. I need some sleep.
Oh, inyo na lang ata ako lang.
Ang kamay ko dyan.
Yan.
Caps.
Ay, pareho tayo ulit? Hindi, di ba kay Mango, ano?
Buffet.
Sarap nito.
Pa.
Hindi ko alam.
Pa.
Isa na.
Bili na ka sa
Okay.
English.
Hindi ba?
Nice.
Taga-tuloy lang.
Monday. Oh! Mabilis na yan!
Hindi ka naman.
Ready ko tayo ba? Ay,
Ano sa'yo? Mas maganda yata yung logo niya.
Hindi siya kung bahal.
Siya lang ba? Ano? Gagawin niya.
Hindi ko ano. Ganito ata lahat. Tama yung kasalubong
Ano?
natin, puro ganito.
Yung ano? Ito nga.
Wala.
Sabi mo next.
Siya. Naharaman pala yung tapos na.
Patay na matay.
Tapos na Joyet.
Ikaw na humawa. What's your soft drink? It has Coke, Coca. Coke.
Yeah, Coke.
Anong soup yan? Yan, mahaba na lang.
Puno naman na siya.
Ang liit kasi ng mga
Saan papunta niya?
kaya di yan, natatakot ako lahat. Lab.
Natakot ako. Play ko na.
Ay, gusto kami ngayon.
Ada mo siya, yung bowling.
Tignan mo yung iikot. Tignan mo yung iikutan namin. Ayan o.
Pababa? Pababa ang break.
Tapos sabi pa ni Dari, siya daw ang may hawak ng beat.
Oo na yun.
Pag ito, hindi nyo na napanood, ibig sabihin,
Nahulog ang
nahulog
cellphone.
ko pa. Ito na, mag-start na kami. Oh my God! Kasi nakaharap!
I-stop mo na. Tapos palda naman na ngayon. Bagal na. Bagal na. Slow. Sinalyan ang bagal yata.
Parang naubos yung boses ko. Oh my God! End of track.
Quiet. Okay na. Tapos na, hanggang lang. No picture daw kapag taas.
Sabi?
Dahil baka marinig ka sa mapataas eh. No put down. Ang taas na. Picture na lang, picture. Tapos na yun. Stop mo yun, stop. Stop, pula. Ganda eh. Ano lang. Ito ang mga ilaw na yun.
Oo, ngayon.
Hindi na napansin mo eh. Ang dami miss din eh. May miss lang naman doon.
Naman ang bulaklak dito mga friends.
Wala.
Yan lang.
Napaliwan ka?
Wala na, Han. Ay, itlog na puto. Kinakain ng balat dito sa Vietnam.
Kinakain ng bala.
Mas malinaw ang pansipan dito, ano? Kita mo?
Ito din yan.
Mas malinaw, ano?
Sumunod.
Pansipan. That's si JJ. Si JJ dyan. Nasa mother.
Dasal ko sana'y dinggin ang katulad mo ay diwata. Lumiliwanag ka sa aking paningin. Kumikislap ang damdamin. Tila ba ako'y napapaliw? Mahagkan ka sana, o ikaw rin ba ay may pagtingin? Dalangin ko sana'y dinggin.
Nay, City Mart, City Mart. City Mart tayo.
City Mart.
Mas gusto ko to.
3 in 1.
Ano yung dark chocolate?
Ang dark yung gitna.
Dark sweet?
Sunod, naka-A.
A. Paano A? Ah, A! Wala ko A na A.
Sunod, naka-high.
Ah!
Ay, sorry na. Dadaanan na.
Walang energy. Bago mo sa akin. Wala na.
Hi! Kinumpleto na eh. Wala ka nang ligtas. Pag sabi wala nang cash. Ito yan eh. Ano na kayo? Ate. Kaya sa akin. 1970. Yeah, yun. Kanya-kanyang ano eh. Kanya-kanyang segway. Ay, apat. Ay, meron siya. Roti lang. Mura lang siya. 100. Ate, 70 lang ate.
70.
Yeah. Bisan 100, ang tawag, 80.
80.
Okay, ha. 120 ate.
120.
Ito 120 takot, 100, dalawa, 200 na. Ate, I libre for you one more tote bag. Libre kuya, one. The not right. Kuya, wait lang, you help me lang. You working for me.
Okay.
940. Ate, wait lang. Ate, Mama sweated for you inside tote bag. Wow! Ate, put tote bag ni ate.
Bag daw mo ito.
Ikuha mo na ako. Ipili mo na ako maganda. Ate, ay video. Mama, work for me din, mama. Mama, work.
Hawak.
Ay, libre, mama. Mama, work for me. Libre. Dalawa, 150, mama. Ay, may isa pang. Okay, no problem.
No problem.
Alam niya yan.
Alam niya yan.
Okay. 40.
Oh, 40 na lang.
50. Yun. Lasawa ka mo. Tatlo, 130. Mama. Dito na. Mama, today no eating. Mama, cook for me. Yeah. Okay, 80. Tatlo, 100, mama. Binigay na yun ng ano yun, no? Tatlo, wait lang, mama. Libre. Dugo, dahil libre, papa. Mama, only 30. Mama. Okay. 870.
870 lang.
Yeah.
870.
Ana lang.
Free.
Ayun,
Yan.
libre, mama.
Wow.
Oh my God, dalawa.
Dalawa.
Nakakita ka dalawa.
Yan ang akin.
Mama, choose.
This color.
Ate.
Okay, I still want to give you a reminder for that. So for our footage, we have the Hanok classic, the beef noodle soup. We also have roll pork with rice and roll, another classic, fried spring roll, papaya salad, and for the dessert, we're gonna have egg coffee. Okay, and here at our first stop, the rice noodle vendor, and we will get 2 cup rice noodle over here.
Rice noodle.
So we want to keep our meat flour really juicy and really moist. That's why. What's the ratio for fat and oil? Is 20% fat, so it's 1 to 5. Yeah. 1 to 4. Okay. So okay. So it's our vegetable shop and we sell vegetables. They also sell here a lot of fruits. You will see. Here's our Vietnamese avocado. We have avocado real shape. Okay, and here's our orange as well. The orange in Vietnam are actually green. Yeah, so we don't have to ask which one comes first, the fruits or the color. Okay. So we have your homemade shoulder head this, don't you? Because some people with vegetarian, they find this one pretty soapy. Especially the Koreans. When they come to Vietnam, even some Koreans, they have their shirts print the whole thing here saying that do not put coriander in my. Okay. Okay, now we have to come back to the sink here and wash your hands. Okay, don't worry, I've asked her to do some work later. Everyone has been going to class. Okay, I think you can stop that for the next time. We are running out of station and you have to hit it. No, because we're out of
Okay, there's no space.
So we want to
Balik natin natin.
so light.
Yeah.
So we want the vegetable, the ingredients to have this color on every side. Okay. So after the vegetable also have this color in the other side, you're gonna put this into the water right
Okay.
here.
When the already like
Like good. Yeah, we're gonna put that in the water so that it's all easy, like.
yeah, picture na lang for the bone.
one, this one.
Ah, merienda.
And then you also serve that with rice, that pork?
Yes, yes.
Yes, of course. And we also have this one.
What's
Can you name it?
English name.
Dates.
How do you say that in Chinese?
Tao Bo.
Exactly. In Vietnamese, we call this one smash. You're gonna eat them. Yeah, you're gonna eat either side. You're gonna
Either side.
Yeah. You're gonna break it until you can take all the seeds out. We only eat the seed inside, not the side.
Ah, okay.
Oh, okay. A lot of emotions.
Too much emotion.
Yeah, too much emotion.
Shanghai nga.
Shanghai, mga kalong.
We have a lot of vegetables. We have the onions, we have the carrots, spring onion right here. We have an egg, the glass noodle, bean sprout, wood ear mushroom. It got a name because it looks like a human ear.
Yeah.
We have shiitake mushroom. So in Vietnam, we call it province of Vân Nam. Yeah, in Vietnam, it's Vietnam. Okay. A little bit much. Make sure. Yeah, for over from 8 to 10 people. Yeah, exactly. We gotta do this one like faster. And yes, even though they have different sizes, but they have the same structure. Right. The cup here, the coffee here to hold all the coffee. The filter here to put the coffee powder in.
Yeah.
Okay? And you pour the water in and you put the lid on the coffee powder and pour the water in again. Yeah. And at that time, only the French and the English who work for them had the coffee powder. But we had to go man and his name was Jack. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. Which one should I put it in? Okay.
Okay, thanks lang. Grabe mo.
Of course, you have to check that with your arms.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you're gonna use this ladle. Put everything out. And then let's do the two bowls.
Bali, alisin lahat ng laman, bones, veggies, except
Okay. And you sprinkle the peanut on top of that. And we're done with the salad. Okay. All of it. That's super.
last tender like Nana. Yes, Nana. Nana.
nagsasabahan, konti lang. Mga 20 seconds. Okay na ba yun? Thank you very much.
The last one is warm. It means drinks. After that, okay. So more Thai basil, Thai basil, Thai basil, Thai basil, Thai basil. Let's go. Nothing else.
Sa kalye. Ina-arrange lang naman yun.
Ano mas galing mo sa bahay mo?
So far, masarap naman yung pagkain niya lang.
Okay.
Kumpara doon sa pinili namin sa Pilipinas.
Ay, lugar na. May pera ka pa?
Sa pera natin. Sa pera natin.
Oo, dito sa
Si Emma yan.
Emma. Paggrado.
Ikaw. Tingin sa kanya mo.
Tapos masama mga ligaw ka lang. Hindi na ligaw ka. Saan mo lagyan basura mo lang? Pwede makita yung pyramid mo? Si Joy na may kumain dyan. Ang ganda. Yan ang ilan ng bunsa yun ang kanina yung mga nitsaw. Nakita mo yun, no? Nasa kaliwa, nasa kanan mo. Nalagay din pala.